Oh my gosh. 360. And y'all see how she flows? Hey guys, so if you want to see more information about this headband unit, it's a headband unit, make sure y'all stay tuned to this video. Alright y'all, so this is the Unice box that it came in. They sent me a 24-inch body wave headband unit. So before we get into the unit, we're going to get into the contents of the box. So in the box we have a wig cap. We also have some headbands. So we have this flowered headband here. We got some cute lashes. All right. We got this really pretty headband. I don't have one of these, so I'm super excited to have one of these now. So like the little bedazzled headband. So we have that. Then they also gave me 4 additional headbands. So black and white, this print here, this green with flowers, and this one, okay? Shipping was pretty fast. It came DHL shipping, so it went pretty quick. So we're gonna get into the unit. If you don't know about headband wigs, they are the easiest beginner-friendly wigs that exist out here in the streets, okay? So this is my first time actually having a really long length, a body wave. So y'all, she is gorgeous. I am loving her length and I am loving her curls, okay? And they also gave me an additional headband inside of there, and it's like, I don't know what it is, but it's really cute. This is how it looks. So what you want to do before you install your headband wig is to go ahead and slay your edges. So I like pulled out some hair from the braids that I have in. And what I like to do is just go ahead and just take my Got To Be glue gel, and I'm going to just put it around the perimeter of my head. Today I'm going to do exaggerated baby hairs. So I'm going to be taking a large lump sum. You're just going to slay your edges however you feel like slaying them. You can do exaggerated, you can do your regular baby hairs. It's totally up to you. But I'm going to take this satin scarf just to let my baby hairs lay. Alright, and it's totally up to you if you want to use a wig cap or not. I'm not going to put one on because I don't really need it, because my braids are somewhat okay. So while I'm letting that sit, I'm going to get into the construction of the cap. So as you know, it comes with this band, right, that you use to tighten when you put on the unit. And then this one comes with 4 combs. It has a comb in the front for you to attach here, and then you have 2 combs on the side, okay, and then you have a comb in the back, and then this is how it is constructed in the inside. Again, this one is 24 inches. So the first step that I'm going to do, I am going to go ahead and tighten this part here, okay, to here. And I like this one because it has 2 that you can just use if if you're not using it, but you're just going to go ahead and attach it as such. Then you're going to put the unit on. All right, and I'm going to attach it right to my front braid, and this is going to sit like on top, like where my baby hairs are, but it's going to come to the back since I got my baby hairs showing like a lot, and I did like the little exaggeration of baby hairs. Okay, you're going to fix it and all that good stuff, and I'm going to show you her length while I'm working her and making sure before I take off that gray scarf. So she is 24 inches. So this is where she's falling on me. This is how you look if you pull her. So 24 is literally going to like the end of my back. And I'm gonna go ahead and give her a comb out. She is body wave, and I love me some body wave. Y'all see these curls? Wow. Ooh. Sis may be a keeper. Sis may be a keeper. These curls are so freaking nice. Like, oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Just wow. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off the scarf. What? Listen. Come through, Unice hair. Come through. All right, so this is just no parting. All right, so this is how she's looking. If I want to put her in a little side part, right, and have most of the hair coming to this side, this is how she would look. Turn this light down a little bit. Listen, this listen, this has been the best headband wig that I have had, and I've had several, like about 10 of these things. Can I just get close so y'all can see these curls? Oh, listen. In a pony. Her in a pony. Listen. Yeah. She's a runner. She's a track star. Ooh. Ooh. It's a headband unit. Like, make sure it covers it. Y'all, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's 360. And y'all see how she flows? Half up, half down. Alright, so I'm just gonna grab some of the hair. Like with my comb, I'm just grabbing a little bit. Alright. And she is thick, y'all. So we got a lot of hair to work with. Alright. So I'm just going to take my scrunchie. I have a rubber band right here. It's red, but it's fine. So I'm just going to take it, and I'm going to put this in a pony. Oh my God. Y'all, she is so pretty. It's everything. She is literally everything. And y'all know, like, usually what I do with my headband wigs, I'll sell them, you know, because I'm usually rocking my front. But this one, I love her. And I love this band that they give. I wasn't really like a fan of these, but I love it. Everything. Everything. Unice, you did this, honey. You did this. Everything. And the shipping was very, very fast. I can say that for it to be DHL. It came in about a week. So I'm really, really, really excited about this unit. Y'all know I won't hype y'all up unless it's worth being hyped. So let's go ahead and do the test to see if it's shedding. I'm not experiencing any shedding. This is like one strand, and I don't even think it came from this hair because it's like attached to the comb. So she is everything. She is full. She is thick. She is worth it. I'm going to put all of her information in the description box below. Let me know if you're feeling her, if you love her. I love her, y'all. I'm so excited about this unit. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. She's really cute in her little half up, half down. I love it. Like, I love it. Like, I love it. I love it. I love her. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you're feeling her too. All right, guys. Love you so much. Bye.